Number 1. 1992 Ford F-150, price $4,000, well-preserved classic pickup with 196,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong-running 302 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance for daily driving or weekend cruising. The truck features a custom blue exterior that has been both rhino-lined and professionally painted, giving it a rugged, head-turning appearance. Inside, the matching blue interior is clean and well-maintained, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Running on gasoline, this F-150 boasts a straight body, solid frame, and a smooth ride, making it ideal for someone looking for a reliable old-school build or a fun project to further personalize. Number 2. 1996 Ford F-150, price $6,500, well-driven and dependable pickup with 361,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5.0L V8 engine, 2WD drivetrain, and an automatic transmission, making it a reliable workhorse and daily driver. The truck sports a green exterior with a black interior, giving it a rugged and classic appearance. Despite the high mileage, it has been well maintained with numerous recent upgrades. The owner has replaced the rear gas tank, both the front and rear fuel pumps, and installed a new back window. In terms of visibility and safety, virtually every lighting component has been refreshed, including new headlights, taillights, and a third brake light. It also rides on a fresh set of aggressive Toyota M/T tires, ideal for varied terrain. Number 3. 1996 Ford F-150, price $9,800, with 189,000 miles on the odometer. It's currently being used as a daily driver, so the mileage will continue to increase. Powered by a strong 5.8L 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this 4x4 truck offers both power and reliability. The truck features a 3-inch body lift and rides on a set of Falken Wild Pika/T tires with excellent tread life remaining. The air conditioning blows cold, and the heat works great, making it comfortable in all weather conditions. Recently, the truck has received extensive maintenance to ensure solid performance. This includes new spider gears in the rear differential, upgraded performance carbon fiber clutch packs, Spicer U-joints in the rear driveshaft, and new rear shocks. Other mechanical updates include a new EGR valve and tube, starter and starter solenoid, belt tensioner, belt, and idler pulley. The PCV valve and grommet have been replaced, along with a new intake gasket. It also has new spark plugs and wires, a distributor cap, and a new rotor button. Number 4. 1991 Chevrolet S10, price $6,500, powered by a reliable V6 engine and equipped with a manual transmission. It offers an engaging and responsive driving experience. The truck has approximately 128,000 miles on it, reflecting its years of use while still maintaining strong performance. The exterior is finished in clean white, complemented by a well-preserved gray interior that remains original and in remarkably good condition. The cabin shows minimal wear, which is rare for a vehicle of this age, showcasing how well this truck has been cared for over the years. Running on gasoline, this Chevy S10 is a great example of a well-maintained early 90s compact truck, perfect for enthusiasts of vintage American pickups or anyone looking for a dependable classic with character. Number 5. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, equipped with a strong 5.7L V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It has approximately 208,000 miles on the odometer, though the current owner still uses it as a daily driver, so the mileage will continue to increase slightly. According to the previous owner, the engine, transmission, and rear end were all replaced and now have an estimated 90,000 to 100,000 miles on them. The truck features a gray exterior with a tan interior. It was repainted around 3 years ago and still presents well, with only a few minor cosmetic flaws and no major dents. The interior shows some signs of age, including a cracked dashboard that's been neatly covered with a dash mat. The driver's side window is currently inoperable. While the truck does not have working air conditioning at the moment, the AC compressor and O-rings were recently replaced. However, a leak remains somewhere in the system, and the current owner no longer has the time or budget to finish the repair. Number 6. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000. Comes with a clean title and an automatic transmission, and it is finished in a gold exterior. Despite having 392,000 miles on the odometer, the truck still runs and drives well, and the 4x4 system is fully functional. The current owner has invested significantly in maintenance and upkeep. It has received a fresh oil change and new gaskets from the heads up, along with a number of new components, including a water pump, radiator hoses, heater hoses, map sensor, IAC sensor, throttle position sensor, crank sensor, distributor, spark plugs, plug wires, fuel filter, fuel pump, battery, starter, tensioner pulley assembly, and serpentine belt. While the air conditioning system is not currently operational, the truck comes with a new blower motor, AC lines, Freon, and several additional spare parts that will be included with the sale. Number 7. 1996 Toyota Tacoma, price $3,000, well-used pickup that continues to run and drive great, even with over 250,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a vibrant red exterior with a gray interior, it features a manual transmission and a single row of seats, making it a simple yet dependable choice for daily driving or weekend adventures. The current owner has used it frequently for beach runs and getaways, highlighting its consistent performance and reliability. Despite its age and some rust developing around the windshield, the truck still starts up with no issues and handles the road with confidence. A custom rack system designed for surfboards or paddleboards is included, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. It comes with a clean title and remains a solid, no-frills pickup ready for its next chapter. Number 8. 1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,000. It features a strong-running V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it especially suitable for heavy-duty tasks. The odometer reads 206,000 miles, and despite the mileage, it still runs and drives well. It comes equipped with a long bed, perfect for hauling equipment, tools, or materials. The exterior is finished in white and shows typical cosmetic wear expected from a work truck, but importantly, there is no rust present. The interior is blue and in fair condition, showing normal signs of use. A clean title is in hand, making for a smooth transaction. Recently, the truck received a new battery, and it has already been smogged and registered through 2026, saving the next owner time and hassle. Number 9. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,999, well-preserved pickup with 173,000 miles on it. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a clean gray interior, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck drives smoothly, with everything working just as it should. The air conditioning is ice-cold, making it comfortable for daily driving or longer trips. The original factory radio is still fully functional, and the interior is in overall good condition for its age, showing minimal wear. All 4 tires are in great shape, providing a confident and stable ride. This Sierra comes with a clean title and a clean Carfax report in hand. Number 10. 1993 Dodge D250, price $9,999, with 217,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission and a bold red-on-red color combination, both inside and out. Powered by the legendary 5.9L 12-valve Cummins diesel engine, this truck remains completely stock and unmodified, an increasingly rare find for a vehicle of its age. Known for its exceptional durability and impressive torque, the Cummins engine in this D250 is ideal for towing, hauling, or serving as the foundation for a powerhouse build. Despite its age, this truck runs strong and has been consistently well maintained. Everything functions exactly as it should, reflecting the level of care it has received over the years.